Nail polish trends offer a wide array of choices from eco-friendly options to futuristic holographics, simple elegance to bold and bright colors, and everything in between. Nail art has never been more diverse and expensive, allowing you to experiment, create, and redefine your style. Whether you choose eco-conscious polishes, understated monochromatic design, or eye-catching holographic finishes, your nails are a blank canvas waiting for your personal touch. So, embrace the latest nail art trends and let your nails tell your unique story with these captivating styles. They add a touch of magic to your nails, make them stand out in the crowd. They work beautifully for holiday parties and fairy tale themed events. Not every party requires bold and flashy nails. Sometimes understated elegance is the way to go. Nail polishes come in a variety of shades to match different skin tones, creating a polished and sophisticated look. They are ideal for formal events like weddings, charity galas, and cooperative gatherings. Nail polishes also pair well with almost any outfit, making them a versatile choice. If you are attending a themed party, take your nail game to the next level with nail art. Choosing the right nail polish for a party can be fun and create process.